Hi guys, how often do you service your car? Car service can involve up to 50 or more components and adjustments, including engine oil change and air filter replacement. If you don't pay attention to vehicle maintenance, your vehicle is at higher risk for major faults. Your car is your investment and you need to prioritize its maintenance every month. Now, I'm going to tell you 5 reasons why servicing your car is important. 1. It increases safety on the road. 2. It reduces fuel costs. 3. It reduces depreciation value of the car. 4. It saves you money. Lastly, it keeps car performance at its best. Proper maintenance of your vehicle does not only ensure safety but increases fuel efficiency. So always ensure that you service your car once every 3 months. Don't forget that you can always bring it down to our workshop for servicing and maintenance. And remember, our car diagnostics is free. To book an appointment with us, visit www.automeco.com or call the number showing on your screen today.